The first thing going on is, what is this curve? This curve is a U-shaped curve, and we want to find the slope at the point 1 minus 4. You know it's a U-shaped curve because you put it into your calculator and you get f of x equals x squared minus 2x minus 3. Start out, I don't know, just do a general sketch of it, okay? And everybody can see that it starts off at minus 532. Where would minus 532 be?
Did you put in minus x squared?
No, plus x squared, did he? Yeah, the correct one, yeah?
Yeah, no, I just thought it.
Okay, so minus 532 is up there. Can anybody see minus 312? No, it's still not inside, is it? What about minus 5? Where's minus 5? There. Minus 10, there. And then you have 0 minus 3. Slope is negative, and then on its way back up again. Is the slope positive or negative at 1 minus 4?
Nothing, yeah.
Seems to be at the very bottom, doesn't it? So our prediction is that it's negative slope here, but at the very bottom it seems to be 1 minus 4 seems to be the minimum value on this curve. So therefore what we're going to do is we're going to differentiate once. That gets us to finding what the slope, yeah? So differentiate x squared and what you get? 2x. Differentiate minus 2x and what you get?
2.
Minus 2. 2x minus 2. Now, this is also the equation of the slope. Replace x with 1 and what do we get?
0.
2 times 1 minus 2, which is 2 minus 2, which equals 0. The slope in question is 0. Is that okay? Now, the next question brings us to the bit of geometry, okay? So, what we have here is a cubic equation. How many turning points in the cubic equation?
3.
2. It's always one less than the power. If 3 is the highest power, there's 2 hills, so to speak, or an up and a down. Max and a min. Now, what it wants me to do is it wants me to find the tangent at minus 1, 2. Where's minus 1, 2 located? Minus 1, 2. Is that on its way up or its way down?
Way up.
It's on its way up. You're expecting a positive slope value for the slope at that point. How do we get the slope formula?
The thingy once.
Differentiate once. 3x squared. After that?
Minus 4x minus 4.
Oh, so yeah, minus 4x, you're right.
You're wrong.
Minus 4x minus 4, yeah?
Yeah.
You're going to replace it with minus 1. And we get 3. 1 across and roughly 3 up. Yeah, so that's a slope of 3. Now, it does say the equation of the tangent. Just doesn't say the slope. This is my fault I didn't get to this last day.
Yeah.
Now, a tangent is a line, and therefore it obeys the equation of a line. This is from the geometry chapter. Now, do we know a point on the line? So to do an equation of a line, you need 3 parts. You need this part, and this part.
Yeah.
Do we know x1, y1?
Yes. Minus 1 and 2.
Minus 1 and 2 is x1 and y1. Do we know the slope?
Yeah, 3.
3. So we have enough. 3 bracket x minus 1. What's minus 1?
Plus 1.
Plus 1 there. And then on the other side we have y minus 2. We get y equals, we'll just leave the minus 2 where it was. Y minus 2 equals 3x plus 3. Bring the 2 over the other side, y equals 3x plus 5. Is that okay? It crosses the y-axis at around 5 and has a slope of 3. Yes?
Is there a difference in putting the 3x first?
No, you can have everything on one side, or you can have it like that. You could have it as 3x minus y plus 5 equals 0, or you could have it as minus 3x plus y minus 5 equals 0. All 3 answers are acceptable. Okay,
Yeah.
cool.